chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place, a place where you'll make her just be alone, be alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Hey y'all, it's Jesselyn Somerville Kane and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and you click the bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. If you're returning, thank you so much for your support. It means everything to me. Today's video is going to be a first impressions on most of the products. Now there's some things that aren't new, but most of it is first impressions and I'm very excited. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, to prime, I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Blur Stick Pore Minimizing Primer in Universal Transparent. And if you watched my last haul video, then you know my husband picked this out. I've never used a stick primer before, so this will be interesting. And I've been trying not to use heat on my hair, so this is like a no heat, just air dry type look. So I used some air dry cream for it, and I'm just gonna kind of put this everywhere and then I'll kind of rub it in. It feels almost like a deodorant, I guess, but it just feels like, you know, your silicone-y primer. I feel like it is blurring my primer. I feel like it is blurring my pores out, so that's awesome. This is also new to me. It's the Rimmel London Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Long Wear Foundation. High Definition Finished Medium Coverage. And this is in the color 101 Classic Ivory. Oh, cool. Whoa, okay. I've never seen an applicator like that. How it like kind of rounds over. That's cool. I just got that on my nose. I feel like, to me, it kind of has a smell to it. Like, it's not strong, but it smells good. Or that could just be something else I'm smelling. And I'm just going in with my beauty blender and blending this out. Claims to be medium coverage, but I don't feel like it's really covering up a lot of my rosacea. Maybe like a light to medium. Okay. It blended out really easily, but I'm gonna see if it'll build up because I just don't feel like it's a medium coverage. It does build up to more medium coverage. I really like the way it looks. And see, I don't like just full coverage all the time, so I really like it. Alright, now this is also new. This is the concealer that goes with it, the Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Concealer. It's medium coverage, lightweight, and this is in 1 Ivory. I'm glad it comes out easily. And I'm just going to highlight and brighten up underneath the eyes and prime my eyelids. That's all I'm doing with it today. And I'm just going to use my beauty blender and blend this out. I feel like it's got a nice coverage to it. It's real easy to blend out. I feel like it looks kind of weird on my eyelids, y'all. Like, I can't explain it. I don't know. I'm gonna zoom in. Like, I don't know if it's the lighting or what, but I just feel like it looks really weird. This is what I was so excited for. I think this is my most anticipated product out of all of this. I got the Tarte, I just spit on my hand. I got the Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. And y'all, I am so excited about this. The packaging is so cute. Comes with this little pad thingy. Yeah. It's really soft. Got a mirror. Like, I know the concealer and stuff's drying, and I have dry skin, but we'll see if this works or not. Well, if it don't work underneath my eyes, that's what I'm mainly worried about, but it's summertime and I do get sweaty on my forehead, so it may be perfect for my forehead, and I just may need to use something else underneath my eyes. Okay, this is cool. It's like a netting wire type. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's see. Okay, I wanted to use a smaller type brush to get underneath my eyes good. I'm gonna go in with the bigger powder brush. I can tell you right off the bat, it is drying. Like I feel my face drying up. So, if your whole face is super dry, I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, you probably won't like this. If your face is oily, you'll probably love this. Other than underneath my eyes, I'm gonna make that claim just so somebody sees underneath my eyes and they're like, oh, what's she saying? My eyes are really dry underneath them. But the rest of my face, I feel like the setting powder looks awesome on. Like, yes, I just use a different setting powder underneath my eyes because I'm loving it. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. This is also a new one for me. So it gives a very, very nice, pretty glow. Very pigmented. I'm lightly going in. Very lightly going in. And this is only like $3 or $4, something like that. So if you're looking for a good bronzer that's not expensive, you need to try this because this is really pretty. Y'all, I am still rocking the hair dye. Now this product is the second, I don't know, it's up there with the Shape Tape foundation. What I've been excited about, this was also in my haul video. It's been out forever, but I've never used it. It's the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer. And I'm so excited, so excited. I am gonna go in very lightly because it's for deep or medium deep skin. And this is what I'm using to contour. Let's see what all the fuss is about. Because this is So I've been going to the gym for a week now. I've been doing Juice Plus for a week and I've lost 3 pounds. I feel better than I have in a really long time. I'm hurting less. With my fibromyalgia, I used to get sick every day. Like I just felt nauseous every day. I haven't felt nauseous since I started Juice Plus. Okay, for blush, I'm going in with the Covergirl Peach Punch Blush, peach scented. This is also from my haul video, and it has been swatched. I swatched it for y'all. Oh, it looks so pretty. Wow. Okay, for a highlight, I've had this one. This is not new, but it's the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal, and I love this stuff. It's so pretty. It looks like I dug my fingernail in it or something. Alright, for eyeshadow, I got this in my BoxyCharm box for July. It's from Crown, and whoop, just look at this. I'm excited, y'all. First, I'm gonna go in with that shade right there. And it's so funny because I had been on Crown's website and I wanted to order this palette. This was like in June. And then in July, I found out I was getting it in my box, and I was so excited and so happy I didn't order it. Oh, and I saw where Juvia's Place is coming to Ulta. I'm so excited. So excited because I've been wanting to try one of their palettes, but I'm so stuck on buying stuff from Ulta because of the points. So that was exciting news. I'm going in with that reddish brown. With that, my crease too. I'm not going to bring it up as high. These colors are so pretty, y'all. And I'm lightly going in and they're so pigmented. I'm going to take that maroonish color and I'm going to put that in the outside corner. I'm going to pack it on there and build it up. These are so pigmented, y'all. I mean, do y'all see this? So pretty. Alright, now I just want to blend that. And you can bring it over in the crease. Okay, I'm going to go in with that shade. Oh, where's it at? Okay. I'm going to go in with that shade. And I'm going to use that to highlight the brow bone. And then I'm just going to blend that. So I'm uploading this Sunday, which means y'all have seen my collaboration with Bridget Snyder and our Little Mermaid and How the Grinch Stole Christmas looks, and that was so much fun. If you haven't already, check it out. I'll link it. Okay, now, oh, I'm so excited about this color, y'all. It's right there. It's like a, I don't even know, like this reddish color, but it looks like it has like gold flakes in it. I'm going to use that and put it on my lid. I'm just going to swatch this for y'all real quick. Ooh, it's so creamy. Whoa. That is pretty. Yes. Oh, these are so pigmented. I'm in love. Like, I just want to get this and rub it all over my face. It is so pretty. I'm going to kind of blend a little bit on top, a little bit where the colors meet. And my camera's about to die, so I'm going to swap batteries real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I went ahead and did my brows while I was off camera. I just went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I just have the sample size. And it's dark brown, so it is a little bit dark on me, but I absolutely love this. I need to go ahead and order me a lighter one because this thing, or this stick, is awesome. For liner on my lower waterline, I'm going in with my Burt's Bees Nourishing Eyeliner in black. And I love this stuff. It's not new. Alright, this is new. This also came in my BoxyCharm box for July. And I didn't have a new mascara to try, so I figured I'd go ahead and try it. It's from Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. And this is what the wand looks like. I do feel like it is curling it up some, but it's real thick. Like, it's really thick. Right now I'm really liking it. It did curl my lashes. It did give them some volume. I think they look really pretty. And if anybody else got that in their BoxyCharm or the Crown palette, comment down below. Let me know what y'all thought on it. Okay, for lips, this is also a new shade for me. It's a liquid lipstick from Gourmand Girls, and this is in Rose Gold. I've been waiting to try this shade. It may not match well with my eyeshadow look, but I just want to see what it looks like. I love that color, y'all. It may not, some of these products may not have a smell to them, but I keep smelling something and it smells so good. I don't know if these do or not. My friend Christina owns the company. Christina, if there is a smell to these, let me know. Then I know if it's this or if I'm smelling something else. And if y'all order anything from Gourmand Girls, if you check them out, you can use the code Jessie for 15% off. Like I said before, I don't make anything off of it. It's just for y'all's benefit. Okay, so I am loving this color. I probably wouldn't wear it with this eyeshadow look, I don't feel like they go well together, but it's really pretty. I love it. And I love their formula, and they do last for freaking ever. For setting spray, this is old. My Essence Keep It Perfect Makeup Fixing Spray. Okay, so don't mind the crazy hair, but this is the final look and I am obsessed. I'm not sure about the concealer. I feel like it just looked weird, but everything's sitting really pretty on top of it. The foundation looks amazing. That setting powder actually isn't as dry as I thought it was going to be underneath my eyes. Like, I feel like it looks really good. Not making my face look dry at all. Like, I felt my face getting so dry when I was putting it on, and I was so worried like I was going to have these dry patches, but I don't. Like, I feel like my skin looks really, really, really natural looking. Like, obviously it don't look natural because I got all this makeup on it, but it don't look powdery or cakey or anything like that. So I don't know if y'all can see, but my skin looks really good. The eyeshadows are gorgeous, very pigmented. The blurring primer stick is amazing. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you have the notifications turned on for whenever I upload. If you're not following me on Instagram, go find me. It's under Jessie Lynn Kane. I gave a sneak peek of the giveaway I'm doing once I reach 1,000 subscribers. Some really awesome stuff, and I can't wait to give back to those who support me. That's it for today's video. I will see y'all in my next one. Toodles!